how do you feel about this? I mean, Karachi is your, where 70% to 80%, the figures keep, changing, but that's where your revenue is coming from. So, how do you feel about this?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You see, the whole budget process, it's absolutely a bolt out of the sky as far as we are concerned. Muttahida Qawmi Movement was not consulted. We are a coalition partner, and we are a very senior coalition partner. We have 25 MNAs, and it's going to be very difficult to get this budget passed without the Muttahida Qawmi Movement. It should be clearly understood.
Right.
However, in the national interest, we take the bitter pills to keep the national reconciliation and to keep the government, the democratic government, functioning. So we sometimes, last two budgets, we kept quiet about it, but this time they overstepped. They overstepped because in this budget, the whole budget, we have not found anything pro-poor. We have not found any relief given to the poor, the middle class or the lower middle classes. In fact, they have been taxed. All the indirect taxation always affects the middle class and the lower middle class.
Yes.
And we being the representatives, an ideological party, a party with principles and a following amongst the middle class and the lower middle class,
Right.
it becomes incumbent upon us. It's not that we love the government less,
Right.
it's that we love the people of Pakistan more. That forced us, like yesterday, I had to lead the walkout from the Senate. Why? Because Karachi, which is already suffering due to all load shedding and everything, as you say, 70-75% of the national revenue comes from Karachi. The industrial base of Pakistan is in Karachi. That commercial hub of is in Karachi, and that the electricity, the power crisis in Karachi is so much, and the people of Karachi have suffered so much. And yesterday, to add insult to injury, they added ₹1.77 per unit without consulting us, without giving us any warning. And in addition, they announced in the budget, it was announced very, very clearly that in June, be prepared for another 5 to 6 rupees per unit because of the IMF conditionalities. Yes. In addition to that, the gas, 5 rupees government excise duty has been raised from 5 rupees to 10 rupees. That means that every unit of gas consumed in Karachi or in the rest of Pakistan, you'll be paying 10 rupees per unit more in the future with the indirect taxation that's coming in. Now, the main thing is that we were not consulted. Number two, we want relief. The people of Pakistan are not interested in these great issues that everybody keeps on talking about. We are interested. The people are not being able to feed even their children with one meal a day. We want some relief on prices.
Sure,
we want control on the prices. We want control on the corruption of Pakistan, which is prevalent in Pakistan. We want control on the smuggling, the hoarding, the black marketing, which is all done. And why have they not taxed the agricultural income?
Well, I'm going to
income tax has to be taxed because they are the rich and the mighty. They're the powerful. They're the ones who have hijacked the people of Pakistan, and they, because their MNAs, their senators, all belonging to the landed gentry and the agriculturists,
I have to bring Nafisa Shah here now. I'd give you an opportunity. There seem to be a lot of grievances with your coalition partners.
I think a lot of these are really irrelevant. I would dismiss most of them.
Agriculture being taxed
the poor people of Pakistan are irrelevant.
I don't think that you are the custodian of the poor. As a majority party, as a party of the poor, as a party that's left-leaning, we can also claim that we are the custodian of the poor, and we have equal pain about the poor. We also have to go back to the poor. So I don't think that MQM is the sole custodian of the poor. Let's get that straight, all right? So nobody is here trying to, we're not into one-upmanship. We are here to discuss. Now, I again respect this view that there is an increase which will be very painful to the people of Karachi. We also get votes from Karachi. Karachi is not just something that MQM has claims over, right? Now, talking about consultation in the finance committee, MQM people were present. They did not raise, and it was very clear at that time, it was very clear, even
So,
from the
okay,
budget speech.
okay,
No,
Which
let me
consultations?
listen. Let me.
Which
Why? But I
consultations
just
was
I
she
want to.
attending
I want
where the
to. But
MQM
I
was
think
present?
I did
It's
not
just easy
interrupt.
to talk
I
on
did
the-
not
on this.
interrupt.
Which
Listen.
consultations
I did
was she
not
attending
interrupt
when
you.
the
Can you
MQM
kindly?
attended?
Look.
Kindly
We're having a
play,
discussion. You're a
let's have it
senator,
before the
and
nation.
senators should behave like senators.
No, I know how to
Yes,
behave. Don't
I know
tell
you.
me how
You
to
know,
behave.
I don't. Well, I think
absolutely,
you keep.
I think this
You
is
are
something
interrupting.
that
This
the
is
whole of
totally.
Pakistan will tell you
This
about
is
my behavior.
unparliamentary.
There's
That to
nothing
interrupt
unparliamentary.
somebody. It is
It is
unparliamentary.
when you are
I think
claiming
I asked
something
you though.
to do
I
with
listened
my
to the
people.
honourable senator, and
The
I think the
honourable
honourable
leader of
senator
the
should listen to
parliamentary
me.
party
If he's
in the
not listening
National
to me,
Assembly
I
said
can't
you were
allow
not
this.
consulted.
You cannot go on in
Okay,
this program
okay, here's
like
the
that. You
question.
have to respect
Okay.
my space
All
because
right.
I respected
Okay.
your space.
But let's
and
ask-
honourable chair, you will kindly moderate. This is not the way. I listen to the honourable senator. And the honourable senator should listen to me. These are the parliamentary rules. And I think you should let me finish my point.
I am asking you this question.
Well, I think you are interrupting. And if you interrupt, then my train of thought breaks. And if my train of thought breaks,
All right,
I can't
so-
talk to the people of
okay,
Pakistan.
so
who are
let's
listening to me.
go back and let's refresh it so that
But
you
let
have a-
me, I was on this point
Right.
and I'll take my stream of thought from
Yes.
where I
So
was.
on consultations.
That the MQM was present in the finance committee. Now, we all know that we have a huge deficit.
Yes.
That we have to come and that there are these white elephants. Most of the subsidies are, it is not IMF. We should understand that 160 to 200 billion of Pakistani taxpayers' money is going into wastage because we are subsidizing these corporations. Now, I know it is going to be painful to some people, but there is a GST subsidy which is targeted to consumers up to 300 units. So, there are targeted subsidies. It's not that the general population of Karachi will suffer, some of them will suffer. And we have to cover these costs. You yourself asked me, how are we going to cover the costs? We have to, it is going to be painful.
Absolutely.
It is
and I don't
but
think
then we have
anybody
to take these
understands. Yes,
decisions.
absolutely. 100%. Everybody's
And
on board.
also,
but
there was a
again,
talk
my
about
question is consultations. You have
Well, I talked about, there are two, the chair of the finance committee of the Senate is an MQM person. Do you know that?
Yeah, of course we know
Yes.
that.
So what about consent? There is a procedure when the finance bill is coming. Before the finance bill comes, it goes into the committee. The committee debates the budgetary aspects. So how can they say they were not consulted?
What about
Now,
the 13
just one second, sir. Let me clarify for the honourable member. You see, the finance committee of the Senate comes into play once the finance bill has been tabled, not before. They have nothing to do with
With the
making of the budget
consultation
before
process.
or in the consultation. Now, the finance committee will hear all the proposals and recommendations that we, the members of the Senate, have made. They will be discussed in the finance committee of the Senate, and those which we are able to convince them, they will be sent to the transmitted to the National Assembly for consideration.
Right.
And so the finance committee comes into action as
After
of
the bill
today
has been
or
tabled.
yesterday.
Yes.
So that had nothing to do with consultation. No, you see, the consultation of a budget, any budget in the world, you see, even the opposition is usually taken on board.
Yes.
All the stakeholders are taken on board. All the different tiers of society are taken on board, and their
Then
input
brought
is
in.
taken. If that input is, that is all we are asking. We are asking that the people of Pakistan's dreams, aspirations, whatever they have for this nation, for this great nation of ours, this should be remembered. Now, it's such a beautifully worded budget speech.
I have to cut you off and go for a very quick break. We'll be right back, and then I'm going to ask Swati Saab about this consultation process. We'll be right back.